Smart India Hackathon. First, let's get some idea about it. Smart India Hackathon is a nationwide initiative which invites creative mind to build innovative solution for a nationwide problem. For example, in the field of agriculture, waste management, health education, etc. SIH is a platform which definitely sharpens critical thinking, increases your problem solving skill, boosts your creativity, and enhances your teamwork. By participating in it, you will also get prizes like cash, internship, startup supports. The process is so simple. First, SIH problem statements get launched by different ministries of government. Then the registration process starts. Then you have to go through internal hackathon rounds and you have to upload your idea on the SIH portal. After nomination of your idea, you have to go through screening and the results will be announced after that. Then the selected teams will go through mentoring and training sessions and shortlisted team would be participating in grand finale. The eligibility criteria is you should be a student of UG PG programs in India and the registration for the hackathon must have been done through college SPOC, which is single point of contact. For final stages, your team should be selected in internal hackathon organized in the college itself. Evaluation would be done on the basis of innovation, the feasibility of your idea and the technical strength of your idea. The other factors are clarity of presentation, impact and scalability of idea, practicality and future potential of your idea. Talking about team, your team should consist of 6 members and at least one female member should be there. Try to make a team in which the team members have expertise in different fields. One can be good in hardware, one can be in software, another can be good in organizing and presenting. Presenting your idea also matters because a good idea can also be rejected if you can't make assessors understand it properly. It is compulsory for the whole team to have clear understanding of idea because assessors will ask questions related to your idea and it is good to be ready with the answer. For your better understanding, I can show you an idea which is already selected in internal round. Title of the idea is the Smart Waste Segregation and Recycling System. It is a bin with camera and sensors which uses machine learning technology to identify different type of waste like whether it's organic, recyclable, non-recyclable or hazardous waste. And it automatically puts them into different compartments of the bin. You can see the scalability of the idea, future potential of the idea because waste management is one of the biggest issue in the India and also gamification of the project through mobile app makes it more interesting to use. Thank you.